How to change the language in Fortnite. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language in Fortnite so you can use it in your Android, iPhone or laptop as well. And changing your language in Fortnite is same in all of these using devices. So the step that you should follow is, the very first step is to open Fortnite in whatever you're using. Open Fortnite and then click on the hamburger menu on the top right section. The gear type of icon, just tap on this one right here and then look at the gear and hamburger icon near the bottom right corner. After doing that, you should just need to tap on this setting option, and after that again tap on the gear icon at the top, and after that use the arrows to adjust your language. If you go back, then you will see many other languages, just back and forth to adjust your language that you want to use. And after selecting the appropriate language, you can just tap on the apply option and then you can use the language just like that. You can also reset it by tapping on the reset button, and you can also go back by tapping on the back button right here. So this is how you adjust your language on the Fortnite app. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.